Because I had more HP than you. Okay, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome you all again. Because I just made a video and making a video again. So we are doing a 1v1 with Takuna and Dragon. Everybody come here. The only rule is we're playing random all. The only rule is this: we're playing random all.
Bro, I am.
Dad is not allowed, Takuna. Be a good boy.
How
Be
do
a
you
good
know?
boy. Be a good boy. Oi, come off, come off, come off, come off. We can't work with him. Where were you? Where were you, Hollow Gamer, Dragon Ivory, whatever you're called? Somebody
Where
tell
are you?
him.
Where are you, cringy?
Please
Let's
get
leave.
off.
Let's
Please.
just let's
Yeah,
move.
go. Hurry. Bro, why do you want to be blue so bad?
Because blue represents boys, purple represents girls, and yellow represents. Purple represents transgender, bro.
What the hell? Why are you guys against me?
Yeah, and yellow represents. Yellow. Oh, purple represents transgender. You know that, right? No, gay represents. No, purple represents transgender. I thought.
I don't care what represents what.
How did I get confused?
I represent a YouTuber. I only know
No,
that.
you represent Nozni, I guess. I guess
Yeah.
Nozni.
I'm
I guess
Nosni.
Nozni.
Sensei, Nosni and boys.
Nozni school. And then
Bro, one guy, both of you are chasing me.
Am I don't. I'm just walking. Bro. You guys are just. What is
Every
this? I'm existing, bro. What's your problem? What's your excuse?
not breathing.
Bro,
Somebody kill us. Somebody do damage to him. He will win.
Okay.
Never mind, you did none.
Well, who do I do damage to? Question
Is
mark.
I'm already damaged.
Damage. That's it. Why do you, bruh, whenever this map is chosen, you all act like jumping is the only way to success.
It is. If you don't know, it is.
It is here, apparently here. Apparently this is the one match. One
I hate to kill.
match is just bouncing.
Hello, Bozo.
This one. Bro, I'm low.
I won. I'd win. How did I win?
No, you
10
don't know.
HP, but 10 HP, but 10 HP. I won by 10 HP.
Random. Oh, right.
I won, but I have mainly the default loadout.
I have RPG. Terrible weapons. All my weapons suck.
Yeah, talks that guy who has revolver.
I don't have revolver. What are you talking about, huh? We all know, bro. We all know. You can't fly.
I'm lagging very badly.
Same. I'm locking. You just with me.
Actually, you're just standing still for me, but then you move away, like you're teleporting.
Yeah, for me that's also happening for you. Yeah. I'm supposed to be blind, huh? I'm supposed to be blind. Come
I
on,
don't
just
know.
let me go up. You just put on an elevator. Oh, hello, sir. Kind sir.
Bye,
Why
sir.
are you- What
Sir.
are you trying to? Sir, why are you trying to hit me? Give me my $10.
Sir, where is Nexus, sir?
Sir, Netflix died a long time ago.
Nexus. Bro, Nexus.
Netflix. Hello.
Stop base camping, lil bro.
Hello. Hello, y'all. Was it to you?
I'm just saying.
You guys know I have arachnophobia, right? I'm just kidding. I don't have it.
Yeah, he's kidding.
I used to
Don't
have
care
that.
about him. He's a liar. Which has pants on fire.
Everybody's shooting me. Everybody's shooting me.
But I'm shooting everybody who comes in front of me. Comes in front of me. Yeah, I won again.
How did I not damage you? No, you are. Oh wait, I am medkit.
Oh.
That was a skill.
Little late.
A little late. You know this guy. I completely forgot my fourth weapon because I don't use them that often. Takes off. I got shotgunned. How? How? I didn't even know you were there. How did I attack you? Yo. Fresh, I'm not. Oh, hello. You just flew above my head.
Hello.
Bro, you
Where
really-
is?
And he was there. all seriously just trying to realize where you are, honestly, at this point.
I'm like, where is that?
Okay, you
Oh,
survived. Come on, just keep bouncing.
you
You
see,
lost.
I lost.
Just accept the fact that you lost. Oh,
Yeah.
you're trying to do damage. You're trying to hide damage.
Only trying.
No.
Yeah,
Don't even mind me. Don't even mind me. Don't even mind me.
yeah. Don't mind.
Yeah, yeah.
I wish I could get spear.
Bro got spear.
I also got spear.
I didn't get spear. I got a better version of it.
I just saw Azlan with an RPG.
Someone has a sniper. Someone has a sniper.
Yeah, sniper, guys. Don't forget. This is sniper.
He has
Don't
sniper.
forget about the
Okay, if
sniper.
you guys don't know, in the last video, we made a joke that we'll call RPG sniper now and sniper RPG now. So yeah, that's the joke of the year because he had equipped RPG and I accidentally said sniper, so that's the joke of the year. Oh, cooked.
I just became a still dawn. You know what? I'm just gonna jump off. You guys can wait. If I jump off, it's gonna be a 1v1. Genius, you guys can't stop me because I'll be too close.
Hello.
Hello.
I have the perfect counter for that. Come on.
Use your freezer. Eh?
Yeah,
You
that's the
are-
counter. If he comes close, I'll use it. Oh, never mind. I got
You
cooked.
spoke yourself. It.
You Afra survey. Afra such a freezer. Okay. You the one freezer. Huh?
How did he kill me?
Yeah, look, this spear
My
has much more. I
My
swear.
spear is
Spear is too good. Spear is too good. Spear is too
I
good.
enchanted my spear with
What?
My,
Aqua Affinity. I enchanted my spear with Aqua Affinity.
oh, yeah.
No, this is not jumping off. I think this is not called jumping off.
POV, y'all just being the most.
He has a bazooka. He has a bazooka.
And the
Bazooka alert. Bazooka alert. Bazooka alert. Bazooka alert.
Ahmad, you saw me, but you went right past me. Ahmad, why are you? I saw you. I saw you. I was like, oh no, bye. Wait. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I get the kill. I get the kill of both of you.
You shot me with bow one.
Now we are.
Me saying nah, I'd win.
Me saying nah, I'd hide.
Oh, I won't let you go.
This is
Do you
not-
have anything that can counter the right?
Go. Go.
Can you-
Yeah, I have the medkit, so. wrong
Can
one.
you guys tell me if you have anything that can counter the red shield? Still, I get the.
Yeah, yes, I have spray.
Oh shit!
No,
Thank God, you returned me. Can someone spectate him? Someone is. Bro, he has spear again. This is cheating.
This is not cheating. This is just the spear, bro. This is just the spear.
Bye. Hey, stop saying me. I'm gonna jump off. Save me.
Oh, how?
I'm a spammer, bro. Oh. Bro, I got him. Okay, I got him to 90 HP, bro.
He's lower. He's 140. I know he's 140 HP.
He's 139.
Whatever.
139. Liar. You don't. Oh, no.
Oh, you're 127.
Thanks for telling me. He has. Does he have anything that can counter the right shield?
Most of his equipment can counter it. Most of his equipment.
Most. Yeah. Like 20%.
25.
30% basically.
Stop hitting me.
You are just running.
It's called a gun. It's a gun game.
Why?
What are you supposed to do if you're not?
Bye.
If this guy has spear again, I quit. If this guy has spear again, I quit.
Okay, quit, bro, quit.
Okay, bye. I'm jumping off now.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a great time.
Bye. Have a great time.
Hey, why are you here?
We're not jumping off. This isn't jumping off.
Mom! No! You're not fine. If you guys are gonna do this, I'm gonna go for you. No, jumping. And you see me bouncing. You see me bouncing. You see me bouncing.
I'm chasing Ahmad for some reason.
Why are you
Let me
guys
jump
chasing me? What did I do?
What I do?
Yeah, I
See,
got
I
the
did
kill.
it
I
wrong.
got the kill. I got the kill.
No, you didn't.
I got the kill.
Bro, the
Hello,
only reason.
you didn't do
Okay,
one.
why am I? Ahmed, when I get a shotgun, you are running away from the entire map.
You got me rolling.
You see me, bro. You see me. Okay, first he has sprayed shotgun the mall and the jump pad.
He has a spear, and he only has a spear.
I used to get. Oh,
They got me rolling.
You got
rematch.
the rolling.
They got me.
Okay, let's make a deal. If we either get splash or shooting range, I'm jumping off. You cannot stop me.
Okay, yes,
The
go.
graveyard.
Let's go. Let's go. I will never been this happy to get the graveyard. I will never been this happy to get the. Okay, nobody can get on the church,
Okay, bye bye. I'm jumping off.
bro.
I
If you
have
do that, you're gay.
Ahmed, I have a question. Will you rage quit if I get spear again?
Yeah, I will. This is not jumping off. I think using your sniper to kill me. Everybody has sniper this round.
No, not
No.
me. None. You all. I lost all my sniper luck.
Never mind. I got killed by sniper. If you do that, if you jump off the map, you're gay.
Redo it. I failed to do it. Okay.
Nobody can go
What
on the
is that
church.
map?
If somebody has knife, tell me.
Okay, I didn't get
And if
knife.
you don't,
Then don't tell me.
Okay.
and if you don't tell you,
Then you die.
who decided that?
Yes! I quit. I actually quit. I want to kill this guy. I don't even care if you win or not. He's 10 HP. Just kill him. Actually kill him.
Where is?
You has the crossbow. You has the crossbow. Just kill him. He's under the church. He's 10 HP. To be exact, he has. I can't even read. I think 9 HP. Yeah, 9 HP.
Where is he?
It's 5, bro. It's 5.
Okay, sorry. My anac isn't working. My glasses ain't working.
Where is he? I'm not telling you where is he.
And in the tunnel. In the tunnel. Bro, he's 5 HP. You have a med kit, a crossbow, a flare, a maul. Yes.
I died.
Hey, let's
Honestly,
go. Actually, it is deserved. It is deserved. It is deserved. That is deserved.
Yeah, he keeps getting spear. How?
That is
Another
deserved.
one. Another one.
Let's just team on this guy first. We're killing him first.
Wait. Out time. It was my out time. Okay, let's team on first. So, I'm gonna
First,
aim
we're
down.
killing a first. I'm going down.
Honestly, no, honestly, this I'm telling you the truth. I keep getting spear.
Okay,
Why?
let's just spare him this time. Let's just spare him this time.
I get either spear or scythe for some reason.
Psych.
No, he's also annoying. Don't worry, he's just as annoying. Which side? As which spear?
Yeah. I just me for no reason. Walking through Aslan smoke grenade. Aslan, stop throwing smoke grenades.
Oh well. Hey, well, bro, stop getting.
You have
He has
sniper.
Sniper.
You just stop spamming the sniper.
Okay.
And I can't him.
I can.
Yes.
Because of
No,
your
no.
own smoke grenade, bro.
Okay, 89 HP.
Okay, this is cheating.
Okay,
This is
fine.
honestly cheating, but still.
No, bro, you keep getting. He was not lying. He has the spear. He was not lying. Ahmed. He was
Okay,
not
I
lying.
need to run. I want to run. I have to run.
Yes,
He also has a grenade. He also has a grenade.
He's in the tunnel. He also has handgun.
Okay,
No,
I
he's not
win.
in the tunnel. He's coming out. Ahmed, behind you.
Hello, Surfa.
Hello. Do you like RPG?
Do you like the beast?
How did I win? Lose?
Because Aslan was shooting me. I was low.
How did I lose then?
I got the same loadout, except I don't got a handgun. Yeah.
You piece of. Okay, we're killing him.
I'm absolute shit at this point.
If you use spear this round, you're gay.
Okay, fine.
If you use sniper this round, you're gay.
Bro, I have the
Okay.
ultimate. I have the.
It's F.
I have the
It's
ultimate
F.
combo. I'm gonna throw a molotov and spear you while you're taking damage. I should not have told you that, should I?
You should have.
I'm molotoving me. I have smoke.
You have a freaking bazooka. He's using bazooka. I repeat, Aslan is using bazooka.
Why is my quick minute not working? I'm trying. Nah, you can't melee. Okay. Ahmed is about to. Ahmed is on 30 HP after us.
Thank you, bro.
30.
Thank you for telling me this random piece of knowledge. I'm sure
No,
I'll be able to make use of it.
behind you. Behind you. Molotov the entrance.
Okay.
He's gonna come. I know it. He's in the church. He's coming from the.
Okay.
No, wait. Keep waiting. He's lower than you. He's coming. He's coming. Yeah.
That is coming.
He just ran out. He's in the.
That is coming.
You're teaming. You're just teaming on me. You guys are just teaming on me.
No, you killed me, so this is my revenge.
Okay, teaming not allowed even if you get killed by one.
Team. Okay.
Okay, fine.
I have one
Well,
question for Sarfa. This will depend if teaming is allowed or not. Do you have a spear?
No, I have scythe.
Okay, good.
Again.
Why are you both here?
Who both? Who are calling you both?
Oh, so you're not here. Sorry, the shadows are so confusing. I'm getting confused. Avras, my medical things are not there. Avras, the bills cannot be done.
He has a crossbow.
Aslan.
Hello, more teaming. What did we say? No teaming.
I did not tell him. He can see you through using his scope, bro.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
Oh, why did I tell you that? I'm a oh, Evan, start listen to me. He's not gonna edit this out because he is such a good friend.
No, I don't even do editing.
Oh,
Wait, what about the
If I-
video? You just said that thing.
if I start, will that be in the video?
What did you do?
If I start cussing, will that be in
No,
the video?
I will cut that out. I will go to Canva, CapCut, whatever I want, and then I cut that out personally.
Okay, I hit you. How much HP do you have? I hit you.
Medkit!
I have a question. What if?
Talk a little higher. My audience and me can't hear you.
Kill issue.
Every time you're trying to kill me.
What are you saying? Talk a little higher.
What if every time you kill me, I curse?
Higher!
What if every
Is this
time
my-
you kill me, I curse?
I'm going to edit that part out of the video. Or I will just not make a video. I'll just end the video here.
Bro, I was annoying and I got Emma to low.
Very low.
Where are you?
Very low.
On your face.
No, seriously. Aslan, you should. He's in the.
Whoosh.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm such a good person that I'm not teaming. Hopefully, I get scythe or spear next round.
If you get that, I'm jumping off. You can't stop. Oh, hello.
Oh,
Hello,
both
boss.
of us.
You have 50.
How are you still alive? Or I'm still alive.
You didn't kill me.
How did I do that? Now I'd win. You also had shotgun.
Yeah, but you landed a headshot.
Oh, did I?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What is that?
I'm not gonna tell you. If one of you dies, then you can look into my inventory. You can't.
Yeah, I'm gonna rage quit.
No, don't you dare die.
I said rage quit, not die.
Ah. Don't you dare die. If any of you dies, you can't check my weapons.
Why? What do you?
I am no one. I am a nice person.
Bro, do you
you?
do you know a movie of Jackie Chan? Who am I?
Yeah, I know.
Bro became that guy. Why am I? Who am I? I want to die. I actually want to die. But I don't want you to win, so I will get you low.
Me?
No, this guy. Don't want you to win. Oh wow, bro just reset himself. Okay, yeah, I want to see his loadout. Spear! Quit!
Correct.
This is
Spear,
fear.
shotty, shotgun, Molotov.
Bye. You can't stop me.
But I can. I get the kill.
You're dead. You got not get any kill, little bro.
No, I do.
Oh my god! All those daggers. I shot them.
Yeah, I got the kill.
Down.
How are you dead? How are you killing me from dead?
I'm him. Coco, I'm Coco.
The other loadout I really like.
You did get a kill from dead.
I'm Coco.
Go
No,
cook.
you
Go cook.
No, Coco. The
Go
movie. The kids movie, Coco.
Go cook.
No, he's Timu.
This TB Cook. One guy has bow. I don't know who.
How do you know?
I don't.
I
No,
listen to it.
I don't have a bow skin which signs that.
Yeah, probably someone has a bow skin that sounds like that.
Signs. Sounds like that. Sounds like signing. Huh? That's a bow skin.
Someone has a shotgun as well.
It's Aslam. And someone, the best thing I got that round, bro, the best thing I got that round was spear. I didn't use it. See,
I swear.
I'm improving. I'm improving.
Kill. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I will get the kill. I will get the kill. I will get the kill.
I will get the I will
I get the. Oh, how did you get the kill? I did 37 damage to him.
I
No,
shot
you
him.
didn't. No, you didn't even touch me.
I did.
I did 37 damage with the crossbow.
Oh well, Afras got the last hit, so
This is
Mama's side.
Delicious.
Mama said it's a first. I have a sniper.
I have a very nice weapon.
Wait. Afras don't get confused. Remember?
I have a very nice weapon that everybody loves.
A bazooka. I mean a sniper.
I have a very beautiful weapon that is not a
Spear.
sniper.
Spear.
I swear to God.
What's a spear? What is a spear? I don't know what a spear is. I think it's called a fork.
Fork.
It's a fork, bro.
It's a spear.
fork.
It is a spear. It is a spear.
It is fork, bro. It is a fork.
Fork has. Where are you all? I've been looking around the whole map. Never mind. I found a guy which is using a freaking AR.
I also have
Bye
that.
bye. Oh, you really sent me across the entire roof.
I help you.
Afras, come damage me, Afras. Damage me, Afras. Oh,
Where
God.
you at? Where you at, bro? Where you at? Okay. Come here.
Hit me.
Come,
No,
come.
no, let me run. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You stole my kill. Now you need to die. Oh no, hella.
How? What am I doing? How?
How did he kill me? I was using a katana.
I am a handgun master.
Bro, a katana is better than a handgun.
Okay.
Bro, what the hell is this loadout? Especially my primary. The first one I can have. Why did I buy it actually?
Oh, huh?
Amar, how did you even get on? That's my question.
One guy is using daggers.
One guy.
Someone is using revolver.
From where do you see it?
One
guy
guy-
is not.
I'm John.
One guy. No, where? Amar, from where? Where ends? Afras, Amar is on the roof. He has sniper. He has bazooka. Sorry, bazooka. He has bazooka. He has bazooka, and he's off the roof. No longer on the roof.
Bro, wait, I need to. Bro, this is cheating actually.
Y'all did this to me, though.
No, you hide all the time, and then Afras. Wait, I have a question. Nova, how do you always find me? You don't
Yeah.
find him first. You find me first.
Yes.
Is that?
I find Ahmed first.
Then I ran.
Then I nod my head to ask where Aslan is.
No, that's not true.
Then I point to a direction. If he nods back, that means that that's where you are.
No, that's not true. Check the
If he
script.
does-
This is not scripted.
If he doesn't nod, then that means that you're not there.
Amar,
Then I-
I'm spectating you.
I know.
No, you guys win a team fight. Then you guys are losers because you can't defeat me without teaming. That means.
What? What did we do as teaming? I win.
Where you at, bro? Where you at? You know what?
At least you did 1 damage to Nova.
Wait. Nova,
Yeah, you did 1 damage.
Eh,
You start up, alright?
How is Nova at match point?
you know that handgun AR combo?
You didn't do anything.
But that's a default loadout. It's not a handgun and AR combo. It's a default loadout. Get your
Hello.
ABC straight.
Hello, John.
Nope. Do not want to deal with this. Bye bye. Do not want to deal with this anymore.
You sure you don't want to?
Where are you guys?
1 billion%, sir. And 1 billion.
No.
Bye bye. No, wait. I got to. No. Stop.
Where the hell are you?
No, I can't. No, I can't do this. I need to kill you.
Oh, I got you low though. Emma, I thought you said the roof was off limits.
Oh, sorry, forgot that part.
Cheater!
Sorry, forgot. I actually forgot.
No, on the past 3 rounds, you were on the roof.
Okay, I'm just going to tell you my loadout because I think I was cheating, but I wasn't cheating because I forgot. I'm just going to tell my loadout: sniper, flare, sight, and medkit.
Wait, what sniper are we talking about?
That is not. I can't tell that one.
I found a genius spot.
I found a very
I see you guys fighting.
this sniper.
Bro, you see I'm annoying. You see how I'm annoying? I got you to 80 health with just the sight.
Are you sure about that?
You just medkitted and you're just trying to snipe. Oh,
That worked.
bro.
Yeah.
Bro just wants to die. Why does bro want to die so badly?
Bro, Aslan, don't try anything. Just stay on the high ground.
Far.
Ah,
Well, here's the thing. I can't. Here's the thing. Not. I don't care. I'm relaxed. I have a plan now. You guys can defeat me.
can we do